Assalamu alaikum students. In this video I'm going to explain you about certain guidelines which you have to follow while doing your science summer task of class 7. So starting with week number 1, we are given with unit number 1, that is structure of living organism, from page 1 to 8. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to learn question answers given at the end of the chapter. That is on page number 10. Then you have to follow these links that are given over here. Link number 1 and link number 2. Link number 1 has the topic parts of plants and their function, and link number 2 has a topic parts of flower. After watching this video, what you have to do is you have to solve worksheet number 1, that is also attached with your summer task. So here is worksheet number 1 with the topic structure of living organism. First you have to do is you have to write down the 2 important functions of the following, these different parts of plant: root, stems, flower, leaf. You just have to write down the 2 important functions. Then moving to the next page, you have to label this flower diagram, and then on the next question number 3, there are some description, or you can say the functions of different parts are given. You just have to identify the part and name the part over here in this blank of plant. Next, there is an activity, and as you all are familiar with the recent health issues, so you have to just gather some information about COVID-19 or coronavirus. First of all, you have to write down the name of that virus or that disease. Then the diagram is also drawn for you. You have to write down the few ways in which it could spread, and then you have to mention few preventive measures. Moving to week number 2, we have again unit number 1, structure of living organism. You have to solve the exercise of unit number 1 with lead pencil on page number 10 and 11 of unit number 1. Then you have to solve worksheet number 2, that is also attached with your summer task. So in worksheet number 2, what you have to do is, again, the unit number 1, structure of living organism. First of all, you have to draw a diagram of leaf, and you have to label all the parts. Then you have to write down the function of few of these parts of leaf, that is midrib, veins, stomata, and chlorophyll. You have to write down each function of each of these parts. Just one function is enough. Then you have to match this column. Type of joints are given, and then examples are given. You have to match the 2 that are more respective. Okay, next is an activity which you have to perform, and first of all you have to watch the video given in this link with the heading of transportation in plants, and after watching this video you have to find out the answer of these few questions with the help of that video, and you have to write them down in your own words on your neat notebook. Moving to week number 3, unit number 2, organ system in human beings. First of all, you have to read the unit, and then you have to find out the brief answer of the questions given at the end of the chapter. After doing that, you have to, with the help of internet, you have to find out the difference between epidemic and pandemic, and write down the answer on your neat notebook with the proper heading and proper date and day, as you have already been told about how to do your neat work. Then after that, you have to follow this link and solve worksheet number 3. So here is worksheet number 3, unit number 2, with a heading organ system in human beings. First of all, you have to label this diagram of respiratory system. As you can see, numbering is given to each and every part, and here with each numbering you are given with a blank. So for instance, the first number is, it is the diagram of nose. So how will you write? You will write nose over here in this first blank. Done? In the next unit, you have to solve the puzzle by using the word bank given at the below. Here is the word bank is given, and with the help of this word bank, you have to solve this puzzle. For instance, there is a first word, that is respiratory system. You have to find out respiratory system from this box. The next question, solve the crossword puzzle. So as you can see, there is a crossword puzzle given over here, and here you are given with certain hints. The cross links, hints means horizontal form, okay, and down hints means the vertical forms. The words that are given in vertical forms, you have to find out those words with the help of these given links, and the words that are written in horizontal form, you have to find out those words with the help of these hints. Okay, so again here we are again given with the another activity in which what you have to do is you have to follow this link and then you have to make a simple model of human respiratory system. And if you want to follow some other link or some other process or way to make a more interactive or more creative respiratory system model, then you can do it as well. Okay, so moving to week number 4, again we are given with unit number 2. You have to solve the exercise of unit number 2 with the lead pencil on page number, here is page number 18 given on your text. Then there is again a video link is given. You have to open that link, watch the video, and then with the help of that video you have to solve worksheet number 4. So here is worksheet number 4, again unit number 2 with the heading of organ system in human beings. What you have to do is you have to label the diagram of digestive system. The process is similar to the diagram of respiratory system. There is numbering given and you have to write down the names of these respective numbers in these respective blanks. Then in the next question there are two diseases given and you have to just write down the two symptoms of those relevant diseases. Moving to question number 3, here you have to complete the table about the information of digestive system. So what you have to do is you are given with some parts of digestive systems and here the names are given: mouth, stomach, pancreas, liver, small intestine. You just have to write down the special secretions or the special structures of these relevant parts. You just have to name them. Like for instance this is mouth. So what is the special secretion of the mouth? That is simply saliva. So you just have to write down saliva over here. Okay, coming back to task number 3 of week number 4, what you have to do is you have to find out the at least 10 amazing facts about the human body. So how can you do it? You just have to open the Google, write down amazing facts about human body, and you can open any given link and then you have to choose the 10 amazing facts about the human body, write them down on your notebook, and you also have to paste the relevant pictures to those amazing facts on your notebook as well. Okay, moving to week number 5. First of all, you have to read unit number 6, that is water. Read the unit thoroughly and find out the answers, brief answers of the questions given at the end of the chapter. Then you have to solve worksheet number 5 over here. So this is worksheet number 5 with the name unit number 6, water. You have to first write down the 3 ways in which you can reduce the wastage of water. Then you have to describe the different types of water. You can take help from your book for solving this question. Then you have to explain the process of distillation. Simply you have to just draw the diagram of distillation process. Okay, so again we are given with another activity in week number 5, effect of salts on the growth of plant. So here the material is given, you are given with the process, and at the end there's a table given in which you have to write down your final observation. Okay, and then at the last you have to give the answer of these relevant questions. You are given with the material that is easily available at your home. There is a watermelon seeds. You can take any seeds, any kind of seed that can grow easily or fastly. Then you are given with the procedure. Read the procedure carefully, follow the procedure, and then you have to write down your observations in the table. These are days given, day 1, 2, 3. These are cups given which you have to categorize, and then you have to identify, and then the questions are given which you have to answer. This is a kind of practical that you have to perform at your home. Moving to the next on the last unit, that is week number 6. You have to solve the exercise of unit number 6 with the lead pencil on your book, page number 50. So here is page number 59 of book with the exercise of unit number 6. You have to solve these blanks, then you have to label these diagrams. Okay, coming back to week number 6, you have to solve the worksheet number 6 that is also attached with your summer task. Then you have to make a colorful poster of advancements made in the field of science by Pakistani scientists. So you have to find it out by yourself. And after gathering information with the help of internet, with the help of any kind of book, your science books, you have to write them down with the proper writing pattern on your neat notebook. Here is worksheet number 6. That is kind of fun for you guys. what you have to do in this worksheet is you are given with certain hints, and here you are given with a puzzle box, and here some blanks. What you have to do is you have to read the first hint, and you have to identify that word first, guess that word. It is like a riddle, and then you have to find out that word from this box, and then you have to write down that word over here in this first blank. Similarly, you will follow the same procedure for the next 4 hints. So that's all for now. That is your summer task that you have to perform. Take care of yourself. Thanks.